In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Telegram without your original phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to create an account on Telegram without phone number, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type temp SMSSTEMP and click on search. Now tap on this first link, then scroll down, and when you scroll down you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create your Telegram account. So select any one country, and below that country's flag click on this receive SMS option. Now copy this phone number, and using this phone number create your account on Telegram. Once the account is created, a verification code will be sent to this phone number to verify your new account. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And right here in this inbox section, you'll receive the OTP code. Paste the OTP code on Telegram and your Telegram account without phone number will be created. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.